Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Online with your friends. First, launch Red Dead Redemption 2 and navigate to the online option from the main menu. Once there, you can choose to enter a free roam session, which is public, or start a private camp session. Your friends can then easily join your game directly through the in-game social club. It's a straightforward process to get everyone together and start your adventures in the Wild West. Once you're in a session, the next step is to form a posse. Open your player menu and select the Posse option. Here, you'll want to choose Persistent Posse to create a group that lasts across sessions. A persistent posse can hold up to 7 players, making it perfect for a larger group of friends. Simply invite your friends from your social club list, and they'll receive an in-game invitation to join your crew. Playing in a posse offers many advantages and activities. You and your friends can tackle a wide range of free roam events, story missions, and challenges as a united front. All members share the rewards and experience points from completed activities, ensuring everyone benefits. Plus, there's a significant 25% bonus on all earnings when you're playing as part of a posse, making your efforts even more rewarding. Effective communication is key to a successful posse. You can use the in-game voice chat to talk with your friends, or if you prefer, external communication apps work just as well. The quick menu provides fast access to emotes and actions, allowing for non-verbal cues. Coordinating roles and tactics, like having one person scout while another covers, will make completing missions much more efficient and enjoyable for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.